Our business partners couldn't be more happier for our program. It was an uplifting moment for them because they know our program's been really working hard over the past few years to elevate our programs. The introduction of the I-CAR curriculum has been really a big part. Our students now earn 34 industry certifications, so that's a huge benefit to our students, that they're walking away with that many industry certifications, and so that's making our students more employable to our business partners, and so I think that's been the biggest part that's setting our students apart. Our students learn anything from estimating vehicle accidents all the way to plastic welding, vehicle damage, metal welding, structural damage, metal straightening, refinishing. They get to walk through it all. So when they walk out of here, they're entry-level techs. The cars that come in, these are people that are community members. So it's a great opportunity for students to come in and work on actual damaged cars that people rely on a daily basis. So it's just like working in a real body shop. It's not training aid cars all the time. So it's not simulated accidents. It's the real deal. There's becoming a shortage of techs. Most of the techs in this field are 55 to 65 years of age, and they're starting to retire. And so students that are coming into this career are on a high demand, and shops are looking to recruit students because they know that in the next 5 years that they need techs to replace those jobs. It's a high demand field. With our new facility, it's a great opportunity. We couldn't ask for anything better.
We're fortunate enough to have 7 Award for Excellence winners in the state of Indiana over the 30 years. And we've been in the program twice in the last 30 years. It's the top program in the state.
I came here for the open house, and I thought it looked pretty cool because you can make stuff for pretty much anything. They prepared me a lot for working with mills and lathes and some CNC stuff and reading blueprints. There's a lot of kids that go to these schools, and you're pretty much the only one that got picked for that kind of award. So it's pretty neat.
We've wound up with some really good kids that have been very successful, and it's really enjoyable to walk out there and see kids excelling. It isn't just what you can do on a piece of machinery, it's the overall well-rounded student. They got to have pride, work ethic, values, and he's got them all, so he'll go very far.